since November last year, I went in Russia and had nothing, had no support and no teams. I was really disappointed at that time, but I was still pushing, training, gym, skiing, and training with my dad and trying to stay on the bike with my own one. But yeah, I was already in one step to finish my career. Then the guys find for me one standard bike to race Valkenswaard, and I was really happy at that moment. And I just immediately fly to Holland.
Don't look back, just let it go. Close your eyes and let it flow.
And I got that opportunity and did my best with the bike I got this race. And then Team Honda Jtech saw me and invited me to race the rest of the season. So at that moment I was happiest man in the world, and now I feel happiness. Every day I wake up and I can race, I can make competitions with that guys, and it's so cool, it's my life. And yeah, with that preparation I did before, I feel really, really strong and that I can fight.
In Brazil, I crashed in the first moto and I hurt my wrist. And after second moto, I wanted to race, and in the start I crashed again. And after in Bulgaria, I crashed another time during the practice. And after, yeah, in my head it was not the same. Maybe I was not too much confident on my bike. And in Majora, I took 2 good starts, and yeah, with a good start you can ride better, and you are in front with the other rider, and yeah, you don't think about your ride, you just ride like you know, and yeah, it was my best result.
Look back, just let it go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Get back to the things you know. Alright, alright, alright.
Gabriele, it's like a family. We speak together about everything, about the bike, the race, or yeah, everything, and everybody are behind me.